Welcome to CyberMigos. In cybersecurity, not every threat comes from hackers breaking into systems. Many risks come from poor decisions, weak policies, or organizations not understanding their exposure to cyber threats. That's where governance comes in. Governance helps organizations understand cyber risk, manage it properly, and make informed security decisions. Every organization today relies on technology. Business systems run applications, store data, and support operations. But every system also introduces potential cyber risk. Vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, or weak security controls can expose organizations to serious threats. Governance teams focus on identifying these risks before they turn into real incidents. In the real world, many cyber incidents begin with something simple, like a phishing email. An attacker tricks a user into revealing credentials or opening malicious files. Once access is gained, attackers can move through systems and access sensitive data. Without proper governance and oversight, organizations may not even realize the risk until damage has already occurred. So if hackers are constantly attacking systems, who decides how organizations manage those risks? That's the role of governance teams. They help organizations understand cyber risks and make decisions about how to manage them. Security leadership plays an important role here. The Chief Information Security Officer, or CISO, oversees the organization's cybersecurity strategy. Under the CISO, different teams focus on different areas of security. Offensive teams find weaknesses, defensive teams stop attacks, and governance teams manage risk, policy, and compliance. Governance teams focus on the overall security strategy. They assess risks across corporate systems, understand potential threats, and ensure proper security controls are in place. Governance isn't about responding to attacks directly. Instead, it ensures the organization has the right security structure to manage cyber risk effectively. One of the first responsibilities of governance teams is identifying cyber risk. They review systems, applications, and infrastructure to understand where vulnerabilities might exist. This includes analyzing technology risks, third-party risks, and business process risks. Once risks are identified, they must be assessed. Governance teams evaluate how likely a threat is to occur and what impact it could have on the organization. Some risks may be low impact, while others could threaten critical business operations. To manage these risks, organizations create security policies. Policies define how systems should be secured, how users should behave, and what security controls must be implemented across the organization. Governance teams also ensure organizations meet security standards and regulatory requirements. Frameworks like ISO 27001, NIST, and SOC 2 help organizations build structured security programs and demonstrate compliance. When risks are identified, organizations must decide how to manage them. Some risks are mitigated by implementing stronger security controls. Some risks may be accepted if the impact is low, and in some cases, risks are transferred, such as through cyber insurance or third-party providers. This process ensures cyber risk is understood and managed properly. Governance teams help organizations balance security with business needs, ensuring that risks are controlled without stopping innovation or productivity. Cybersecurity works best when different teams work together. Offensive security finds weaknesses, defensive security detects and stops attacks, and governance teams manage risk and strategy. Together, these three pillars form a complete cybersecurity program that protects organizations from cyber threats. Thanks for watching CyberMigos. If you want to understand cybersecurity better, make sure to follow the channel as we break down complex security concepts into simple explanations.